I'm still shocked at the results I got from using this treatment. It adds shines to my hair, promotes hair growth, it hydrates and softens the hair, reduce frizz and flyaways, enhance natural texture, and soothing scalp irritation, stop itchiness and dandruff. So if you're interested, watch this video to the end to see the final result.
I know this sounds crazy, but this bowl of oats might grow your hair faster than expensive products that you hold onto. Oil also grows hair, but most people are using oil the wrong way. But this cheap kitchen ingredient, it might be what you have been missing, or this is why. Adding 2 cups of water to 1 cup of oat milk in your pot, then put it on the low heat to cook for a minute. Then you remove it. You just want it to activate on the fire. Then you take it away and use your blender. As you are seeing me do here, that's exactly what I do. Stir this thing in between times so that it will not stick to the pot or get some lumps in it. We want a slimy, lovely texture of this. In today's video, I bring to your table my kitchen recipe, which help my hair in different way, but also stick to the end so that you will know the mistakes I did while using this. I love to prepare my oat milk this way because it will retain that slimy texture of oats, and that's what we are looking at to help us detangle better and to help us reduce breakage and shed hair. Blend it and make sure you blend it properly, and get your cheesecloth, or do not skip this process because it will help you remove the residues and just give you a creamy texture of this oat milk, which is what we'll be using on our hair today. Your hair has been breaking lately and you don't know the reason why, and your hair is refusing to grow, whatever you do to it is using the right oils, you are not seeing results, try to condition your hair with oat milk. Or your edges are thinning, this is something you need to try, sis. I did a little research to find out about oat milk because I want to know whether this thing could be dangerous to my hair or it will worth trying on my hair. So what research gave me is that oat milk are rich in vitamins, minerals and protein that help strengthen your hair, reduce breakage and keep your hair and scalp healthy. Guys, you know that feeling when you think you are recording something and you're actually not recording anything? Add in your olive oil and honey to nourish your scalp and retain moisture due to the honey you add into it. I did not show that process because I thought I was recording it, but for me to check, and to my surprise, I did not record any of those clips, so I don't have it. Add in your oil and a little bit of honey to retain moisture. So now I'm moving on to applying this thing on my hair, and my hair is clean. I've just washed my hair yesterday. I think that video is up already. It's time for me to use this oats on my hair as a conditioner. Guys, like I always said, it is not magic. You cannot get magic overnight, but it definitely supports healthy hair growth over time. Another mistake people do, that's why I try to avoid it in this video, hair mask on dirty hair, and your hair follicles are clogged. Your hair won't absorb the nutrients properly. Guys, this thing will help you to detangle your hair and you will see coil. It will help you define your coils. And I noticed something at my ends anyway. My hair needs to trim. Because it has been breaking those tiny pieces, that when you see, you know that these are split ends. It's not your hair that is actually breaking, but those split ends at the end of your hair. So if you're beginning to notice stuff like that on your hair, it is time to go ahead and trim your hair. So I will also be trimming my hair after I apply this thing as well, but not in this video. Oats promote hair growth and scalp health by providing essential nutrients like zinc, iron, biotin, and omega-6 fatty acid that strengthen follicles, reduce breakage, and nourish the scalp. Oat milk will help you prevent hair loss because the sleepy substance in it will help you to avoid breakage. And when this oats enhances growth and prevents hair loss, you will be retaining more length and initially growing more and seeing results. Oat milk also strengthens and reduces breakage. Oats contains biotin and protein, which are essential for producing keratin, and keratin is a type of protein that strengthens hair structure and increase elasticity to stop hair breakage. It also deep moisturize and give you shines to your hair. You are going to add in some oil or honey into this, so of course it's going to do. It will help locks moisture and treat dry scalp, dull hair, and providing natural shine. It also improve hair texture. Oat milk are generally safe for all hair types and are also effective treating damaged, brittle, frizz, dry, dandruff hair. I hope I'm making sense. So please, if you have watched this far, give me a like, subscribe, connect to me by sticking in the comments, and continue to watch. One thing I regret doing wrong was how thick this oat milk was. I could have made it more watery compared to how I did it, because it was too sticky and it was too kind of heavy on my hair. So make sure you add more water to your oat milk. After applying this, I wait for some minutes, I think an hour, before washing this out. This is my breakage that I have doing this. You can see it's very little because the oats slimy texture in this, it will help reduce your breakage. So yes, that one is practically accepted because I've seen the results on my own head. Now it's time for me to wash this out. After 1 hour, it was giving me a headache because it was too thick and it was too heavy on my hair. While I was sieving these things, some particles, you know, the vest I use has hole in it, so it did not sieve very well, and I'm having some residues on my hair. Sieving it, make sure you sieve it twice, that you're not getting the residue inside the oat milk that we are preparing. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, do well to subscribe. Stick with me. I'm doing everything possible to grow back my hair. So if you're interested to go on this journey with me, do well to like, subscribe, and stay with me, because I'm going to do a lot this year to grow my hair, and I'll be sharing the process with you. So when I wash my hair in the sink, I also noticed there was still residue, so I entered the shower to pour water on my hair enough so that I'll reduce or remove the residue out of my hair. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you up in my next video. This is coming your way. Take it. Bye. Please do well to like.